In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Charles Schwab login ID. If you've ever tried to sign in and realized you don't remember your username, don't worry. This guide will walk you through what to check first and exactly how to recover it securely. First, a quick heads up about where your login ID appears. For security reasons, Schwab does not display your login ID anywhere inside your account once you're signed in. That's intentional to protect you. Typically, you'll only see it on the login screen or if it has been saved by your browser or the Schwab app. So if you've logged in on this device before, start by checking the login page itself to see if your browser or app suggests your username automatically. You can also open your browser's password manager and search for Schwab to see if your saved entry includes the username. Different browsers label this slightly differently, but look for the site entry and view the saved username field. As you do this, make sure you're on the official Schwab website or app to avoid phishing pages. If you can't find it there or you've forgotten it, use the online recovery flow. Go to the official Schwab login page and select the Forgot Login ID or password option. You'll be prompted to enter information such as your email or phone and your account details so Schwab can locate your profile. After that, you'll verify your identity with a one-time security code sent to your chosen method. Once you enter that code successfully, Schwab will guide you to recover or reset your login ID. Take your time, double-check each field, and be sure you're on a secure connection while you complete the process. If you're stuck or prefer live help, contact Schwab's support team directly. Tell them you forgot your login ID, and they can look it up and help you reset it after they verify your identity. Have your basic account information ready to speed things up. Remember, they won't need your password, and you should never share it. A few important tips before we wrap up. Your login ID is case sensitive, so type it exactly the way you created it. It's different from your account number, so don't try to sign in with that. And finally, never enter your login information on random or unfamiliar websites. Always check the address bar and security indicators to make sure you're on the legitimate Schwab site or app. Follow these steps and you'll be back into your account with the correct login ID safely and quickly.